Hi, my name is Kirby Taylor. I'm with the Precision Machining program here at Southeast Community College Milford Campus. One of the things that is great about precision machining is we're involved in the world of manufacturing. When you think of manufacturing these days, you need to think of the ever-evolving state of technology that's in our world today. Think of the advancements in computers, the advancements in cell phones, advancements in just so many technologies. Those things have changed, and those requirements, the more complex components get, the more complex the requirements and the standards and the abilities that tool makers have to produce those parts has increased as well. So that type of stuff is exciting, and that also really opens the door for some highly competitive wages. You know, if you're working for a company that has learned how to do something that not a lot of other people have learned how to do, that's where we come into play. Job security is incredibly stable. Job demand is extremely high. It's not uncommon for us in a program like this to have possibly 10 to 15 jobs per every graduate. These things are constantly growing, they're constantly changing, and that's what makes the world of it, manufacturing, exciting, and that's what makes the day-to-day activities of a tool maker also to be something to look forward to go to work every day as you develop a career in this line of work.